Today we are doing an unboxing of a Cricut Maker 3. I've never owned a Cricut before. I've never used a Cricut before. Welcome to Curiosity Kitten, where I make videos attempting to demystify making. Arts, crafts, baking, and making in general. I do this by showing projects, including the setbacks, mistakes, and experimentation. Making things is not a perfect process. Errors will be made, but learning from the mistake and finding a solution is part of the fun. So I am excited to learn how this works and how to program it and all of the things that it can do. So I have not opened this yet. I've been saving this for you, and of course there's tape on it. So we start out with this, which I guess is instructions. Cardboard. All right. So we have some sample things that come in there. And then here's the machine backwards. So we have the machine, which comes with power and all that kind of stuff. Not as big as the box would make you think it is. There's the plastic. Okay. So, ooh, has a soft open little door. That's pretty awesome. Place to put your tools. You can put your tools in these little compartments too. Foam in here. And speaking of tools, I actually got a bundle. So let's find out what's all in here. Okay. So let's see what's in here. Oops. So in here we have the essential tool set, which has a ton of different scissors and pokers, pickers, a stylus, and some sort of scraping tool. I don't know. We'll have to find out what all of this does. So this was the essential tools. This is the basic tool set, which has more. It looks the same. I mean, it looks like it has similar things to what's in the essential toolkit. We have a multi-pen set, some iron-on, smart vinyl, permanent vinyl, more permanent vinyl. These are removable vinyl. Looks like there's black, white, and red in here. We have transfer tape. See, I didn't even think about that. And then here is sticker cardstock. Fun. My goodness, there's so many things in here. More iron-on. So sparkly silver, sparkly gold. We have more removable vinyl, and then more permanent vinyl. That's it. But this was a huge bundle. I actually got it on the Cricut website. They were offering a deal where you can sign up for their monthly program and get a certain % off of the machine. So I figured it was worth it for a month or two, maybe longer if I really like their online stuff. and be able to get that, and got a good deal on this, and we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned for more Cricut Maker 3 items for us to explore and figure out how this thing works and do some programming and do some creating. Let's just be curious together. Thanks. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos in the future, please hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like announcements of when a new video is available, ring the little bell. Your support is greatly appreciated, and I hope to see you next time on Curiosity Kitten, where I demystify making.